Right, in this video, I want to deal with the mortgage formulae, which is of highly practical value. Right, now, the notation we're going to use is R is the rate of interest per installment period. P is the principal, which is the sum borrowed, and N is the number of installments. F is the fixed payment per installment. That's how mortgage works. Now, there are two accounts. One, what you owe them, the mortgage company, and secondly, what they owe you. Now, the amount owed to them over the agreed period is the compound interest formula, which is P into 1 plus R to the power N. Counter to this is the following accounting. Now, at the end of the first period, you pay them F. And that goes to the end of the entire period of another N-1 installments, or periods, and that will be F into 1 plus R minus 1. Then at the end of the second period, again you pay them that same amount F, and this will run for 1 plus R N minus 2, one less than that, and so on. F into 1 plus R to the N minus 3, all the way down to the final payment of F. Now, this equals putting 1 plus R equal to X, the following. F into 1 plus X squared plus X cubed, and so on, X to the N minus 1, which is a geometrical series and comes to F to the power X to the N minus 1 over X minus 1. And reverting back to the old notation, F then will equal 1 plus R into 1 plus R plus N minus 1. That's just replacing X by 1 plus R, and then divided by R. Okay, so we'll call this formula up here number 1, and this one number 2. Now, at the end of the entire period, these two accounts, 1 and 2, must balance. So we get F times 1 plus R to the N minus 1 divided by R equal to P into 1 plus R to the Nth. And from that, we can easily get F equal to PR 1 plus R to the power N divided by 1 plus R to the power N take away 1. And that is the formula we are after. Now, I'm going to do a follow-up video for this, which will give us a formula for finding what you owe the mortgage company at the end of a given period. So let's suppose the agreed period was 300 months, because we usually work it out in months, and say that at the end of 200 months you feel you can pay off what you owe them, and we want to know how you work out how much you still owe. So that will be in the next video. I hope what I've explained here is reasonably clear. It is a little bit tricky, but a couple of readings or a third reading should help to make things understood. Thanks for listening.